So now you can see that in the last couple of lectures we learned how to download Nessus, how to create a policy, and in this lecture we will see how to begin a scan. So in order for you to scan a website, you first need authorized permissions, because we are not black hat hackers who just scan a random website. That is not legally allowed unless you have the permission to scan the website. So there are tons of websites already available on the internet specially designed for ethical hacking. You can go to that website and find the IP address in the same way we find the IP address in the last couple of lectures. So for this lecture I'm going to use my Windows virtual machine. So you can see this is my Windows virtual machine. Now I'll find out the IP address of the Windows virtual machine. Just give me a second. Yes, so as we have seen how to find the IP address, we have to go to command prompt. Okay, so I'll type ipconfig, press enter, and you can see the IP address of my virtual machine is 10.0.2.15. So now let us see how to create a scan. So we have to go to here all scans, and we have to, since there are no scans created, we have to create a new scan. So press a new scan. Here we have already a number of templates, but since we have already created a policy for the scan, we are going to go into this user defined tab. So let us go into user defined tab. There you can see the network scan policy, that is the Udemy that we have just created in the last lecture. So click here, and then it asks for the information of scan settings. So enter a scan. So I'll write Udemy network scan. You can give whatever you want. Description, you can I will leave it blank. You can state for why you are going to scan this company, organization, etc. Folder, and then target. So example IP address, you can also provide a range of IP address, but since my virtual machine's IP address is 10.0.2.15, I will enter that. So 10.0.2.15, and then there are options. You can launch the scan, or you can either save the scan. So what I'll do, I'll launch the scan. So right now it is launching the scan for my Windows vulnerable machine. Let us see if it finds out any vulnerabilities in the machine. I will let you know when the scan starts. So you can see the scan is right now going on, and let us see how much time it will take. I will notify you once everything is done. So I'll notify you. Till then, have a break.